We have problem in our cartridge on this printer. This printer. Brother printer. Problem in our cartridge right now because the printer did not print well. The outcome of our print one is like this, faded on this side, so we can able to print the document legibly. We observe that there is problem in our cartridge, so we remove it. And this is the cartridge or holder of the printer, and this is the cartridge before we use, and this is the current cartridge we're using right now. But the problem on this side is no powder stick on this side, see, unlike on the other side. So on this side the printout is not very legible. So we try to fix it if it's possible, to rotate this one for the printout become more clear. We try to rotate on this side, this one.
Bakit?
Sala nila. Pagdating ko, number 5 pala. Kasi, pinaka number 14. Kita ko, pati di violin, may babayad.
Sina?
We're trying to put powder in the cartridge. Something like that. We're trying to put powder on the cartridge if it's possible to make the printout clear. On this side, you see that very, unlike this one, there is powder on the cartridge, but on this side, no touch of powder. So we try to put powder on the cartridge if possible to stick the powder on there. But as of now, the cartridge is not. Our target is to use the print well like before, because we're in an accounting office. We really need to have a clean copy because of the text is important to us. So we try to roll the head of cartridge. So please subscribe and watch and wait for our next video for what is the outcome of this repair.